What kind of training did you get while growing up? You're a good girl. You should learn how to adjust. You're a good girl. You should learn how to compromise. You're a good girl. You should learn how to be patient. Did anyone prepare you in the corporate world? Did anyone teach you how to dream big and achieve your goals? How to manage your finances? Did anyone teach you how to negotiate your salary? Did anyone teach you how to stand tall and ask what you are worth? Hi, I'm Captain Asha Alagappa, a seasoned veteran for more than 2.5 decades in the corporate experience, presently an Associate VP of Iron Lady. We are a team of professionals dedicated to helping women like you reach to the top. Join us for the program and we will mentor you to rise and shine in your profession. We will help you to understand and honor your worth. We will teach you how to ask for and get the salary that you deserve. We will also teach you how to ask and get the promotions you deserve. All this at 129 rupees. What are you waiting for? See you on the other side.